I'm Daphne Zarate and welcome to our first section here on the Stellar Compasses, Science and Technology. Today we are going to dive into how science and technology are working together to help us explore space like never before. Just thinking about it, powerful telescopes, artificial intelligence, and even robots are now helping science make incredible discoveries faster with more precision than ever. To talk about all these fascinating advances, we have a very special guest. Welcome, Dr. Morales. It's an honor to have you here with us. To begin with, could you tell us about one of the most exciting recent discoveries in space science?
From my point of view, universities and small centers also do important work. Students and teachers study space, build mass authorities, and share information with big space agencies. Everyone works together to learn more about space.
That sounds fascinating. How has technology such as artificial intelligence or new telescopes helped science make these discoveries faster and more accurately?
Okay, technology helps a lot. New telescopes can see very far and very clearly. Artificial intelligence helps study many pictures and data very fast, so scientists can find new planets or stars more easily.
Many people think space research only happens in big agencies like NASA, but how are universities or small research centers contributing to this field?
Yes, I think one exciting discovery is that scientists found water on the moon. This means one day people could live there or use water for space travel. It helps us understand more about our solar system.
Maybe you're wondering, how come space discoveries can affect the education system? Well, space exploration is not just about rockets and planets. It's about curiosity, innovation, and learning. Every new discovery we make in space opens doors to new knowledge and inspires generations of students and scientists around the world. Through space exploration, we gain a new perspective to study Earth and solar system. We advance new technologies that improve our daily lives and inspire a new generation of artists, thinkers, engineers, and scientists. Space discoveries impact education by inspiring scientific discovery, fostering the development of 21st century skills, such as critical thinking and problem solving, and promoting the STEM educational approach to the field of scientific outreach. Space discoveries have had a major impact on various areas, such as microbiology, physics, and even human health, using many tools from the International Space Station Lab. Scientific research founded on data from space is also leading to discoveries with benefits for life on Earth. Ongoing research is the space environment of the ISS in areas such as human psychology, plant biology, material science, and fundamental physics, continuing to yield insights that benefit society. In conclusion, space discoveries act as a powerful catalyst for the expansion of science, not only in astronomy, but also in fields that directly benefit life on Earth.
Well, it is not a secret that space has influenced our lives in many different ways and also has served as inspiration in the arts for decades. So, thanks to this inspiration, we have important cultural references related to space. Cinema, for example, has turned space exploration into stories they have marked entire generations. Movies like Star Trek, Star Wars, The Martian, Gravity, Interstellar make us reflect on who we are and what our place in the universe is. In art, many creators, like Joan Miro, for example, used abstract shapes and vibrant colors to express mystery and energy to the universe long before space exploration became a reality. Their works reflected on a spiritual connection between humanity and the unknown.
In the last section of the Stellar Compass, we are going to talk about space discoveries and innovations in the past and the future. Technology has allowed us to transform the knowledge of the universe we live in, creating opportunities to know more about the space that surrounds our planet. One of the most powerful innovations in this field is the very popular James Webb Telescope, developed since 1996 with the collaboration of 14 countries and finally launched in 2021. One of the main objectives of this powerful observatory is to observe some of the most distant events and objects in the universe, such as the formation of the first galaxies and revealing never-seen-before details of stars being born. The future looks just as bright, with the rise of new technologies such as nuclear propulsion, which could dramatically reduce travel time and finally take humans to Mars. Another field that scientists are looking forward to is robotic exploration. NASA plans to send rovers and drones to moons like Europa and Titan. Also, space tourism is closer to become an everyday occurrence. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin have carried passengers on suborbital and orbital flights, making the first step towards commercial travel beyond Earth. Innovation brings us closer to the stars. With every discovery, humanity takes a step closer towards becoming an interplanetary civilization. The universe is waiting for us, and the future might be closer than we think. Thank you for tuning in to the Stellar Compass. See you on our next mission.